guys, we're here in the hotel right now, and I'm gonna do a room tour. Yeah, this is a very nice view, guys. Look, there it's a lake right there. Lake. Look at somebody's boating. And there is something going on there, right? Look. That go to up there to the mountain. Yeah. Okay, that's the 2 bed in the first room, and my mother-in-law will stay here.
And there's a TV and the light.
Yeah, there's TV here, and there is a little very short hallway here. Short hallway. Anyway, this is a table here, and they have a coffee. It's dirty coffee maker, and there is an ice here. There's no ice. Yeah, no ice. And there is in the hallway there is a little refrigerator. We put our stuff here. It's cold. And there's a mirror. This is the couch. This is the other room. Me and my husband stay here. And you get the view out there. It's blurry. Okay. And we have a TV up there. Bathroom. This is the washroom. And there's the bathtub, the shower, the toilet. Yeah. We get here yesterday, last night. We're getting ready to shop.
As I stand before you today, I see loving family and friends who will bear witness to their love and devotion to one.
Those of you who are friends with Jesse on Facebook will find this very appropriate. This is a poem. It's called How Falling in Love is Like Owning a Dog. It's by Taylor Melly. First of all, it's a big responsibility, so think long and hard before deciding on love. On the other hand, love gives you a sense of security. When you're walking down the street late at night and you have a leash on love, ain't nobody going to mess with you.
So, good morning, guys. Oh, I'm going to take shower soon. Oh no, it's not soon. I'm going to take shower after I pick up my mother-in-law from her dialysis, and I'm waiting for my, my package has been long time already here, and it's not sent yet. Now it's completely sealed up. It's already everything. It's ready to send. So I called the guy. Who's going to pick that up, and he says he's going to be here today morning, but it's already 11 o'clock and he doesn't call me yet. He told me he'll call me, but yeah, not really. I don't think so. It's already maybe later. Yeah, so I guess I'll take shower later. I'm just so tired. When you feel that you're having your menstruation, your monthly thingy, it makes you like for me, I have headache, lousy, don't feel doing nothing, but I have to, and I have to do something, and even you don't feel like up to it, and you get, I get mad, like no one can even see anything. It just makes me mad quick. Kung sa kung sa atin pa, kumukulo ang dugo ko. Parang kumukulo lagi ang dugo ko. Kahit yung husband ko, parang every time I told him, you have to understand, every time I have my menstruation. So even though I am feeling it, I'm having it, but I don't have it yet. Too much information. I don't have it yet, but I felt it already. So I'm gonna take shower because I don't wanna take shower the first day of my day. The first day of the day. The first day of the day. First day of the menstruation. Yeah. Okay. So I decided I am going to take shower. I'm done with my shower. It's a quick shower. Oh, the mail is here. But I need to brush. I forgot that my hair brush is down. So I just bring this argan oil Morocco. Yeah. And just brush my hair, put argan oil on my hair, and then brush it. But the guy is not here yet. That's why I shower quick. That's the thing about this thing. That's the thing about this thing. That's the thing about this thing. Hold on, guys. Hold on. I'll turn the air conditioning. We're back from dialysis. We're back from picking her up, and I'm still waiting for the guy to pick up my package, and it's already 2:21. It's almost 2:30 already, and he's still not here. I don't know if he's still coming. So yeah, I'm still waiting, and I'm just lying down here, and it's really hot. This cat is always looking for attention. You're looking for attention and love and lovey-dovey, right? You want me to touch you, baby, right? You want me to touch you? My little girl. Are you still my little girl? Are you still the little girl that the cutie little girl now? Huh? Are you still the one? Oh, baby, I love you, baby. Tickle, tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle your ear. Tickle your ear. I'll tickle your ear. Tickle your ear. My ear. I know. I know. My dimple lords. This is my dimple lords. This is my dimple lords. I feed my cats. I think the guys won't even show up today. Some people, it's not really, they promise, but they don't really do it. So, I'm just going to go outside to water my, you see my tomato before, right? It's blowing up now. And there is some few fruits already. And, yeah, I'll go outside. There's fruits already there, and so right there, and I think that's it. And of course, I did feed my cats, and as usual, they don't eat chicken. That looks so good, isn't it? Hi guys, I'm going to bed now. So yeah, hold on. If you still can see, update about the guy that I'm waiting for the guy that was supposedly pick up my package, and he doesn't come. And so I texted him. So I texted him if he's still coming at 5 o'clock or tomorrow. So he called me while I'm doing my barbecue and tell me that he will do it tomorrow, and he kept saying sorry because he forgot to stop over here. And yeah, anyway guys, it's already 9:30. It's bedtime already. So thank you guys for watching my previous video, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you guys. Oh, anyway, subscribe if you subscribe if you don't subscribe yet. And thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Good night guys. See you in my next video guys. Thank you. Good night.